Oh, sorry guys. Oh, hello guys, my webcam wasn't working. It's kinda laggy. You guys could see, I know I'm waiting. So I have to check. Okay, I found out how to use my webcam. So, okay, I think that's how you use my webcam. My first time ever knowing how to use webcam. Hey guys, webcam working. Okay. Well, we're gonna be playing bloxbrug. So guys, I found out how to use webcam. Now, is webcam way better? I wanna make my webcam like way bigger. See if that, it froze. What's going on? What's going on with my webcam? Oh, what the? Oh, that was weird. That was weird, guys. Oh, guys, we're gonna move my webcam. Like maybe right here. Actually, I like it right here. Is that a good place? Okay, there we go. That's working. Okay. Well, guys, I think my webcam's lagging. Oh! Well, guys, I'm gonna be like playing some bloxbrug today. Whoa, look at that. Tell me, guys, if you in the description if you like the webcam or not, because I don't know. I think it'll stop lagging. I'm really sure. But this is how my bedroom looks in real life. Yep. See that? And my window's right here. My desk right there. I have that chair, but you can see right there. There, guys. It's here. And there's the desk right there. And I'm sitting on my computer desk. And my bed's actually at the same place. I have two beds actually in here, but this has to be way bigger, and I have one right there. But this one is actually just right there for a reason, because when I have sleepovers. I'm gonna go on my knees because I'm so tiny. Oh my god. Okay guys, that's way better. Hey. Oh, what should we do? Let's go and butter some people for some money. Actually guys, we're just gonna be playing some ball. Wait. Are you kidding me? Look! Oh, I glitched out. Well, that was weird. Well guys, I don't know, I'm gonna finish my walls up. Okay, so what should we do? So, whoa, should we actually, this is how my really house looks, actually. How my house really looks, $1. What can I do with I really just ruined it. Guys, that's why I really need money. We need to buy some people for some money. That's chicken. Okay. Oh yeah, but in my bedroom, guys, my closet is right here. Actually. Right here, like beside me, there's like a wall. Yeah, well, I forgot about that. I just forgot about the chit-chat. Well guys, we're going to work. Or, actually we're going to use a box of people for some money. And I'll tell them I'm being, can you do, here, I have to get it ready. I can't tell. Want to be my video? Oh, that was from when I went, yeah. Like Nana's belly. So I have to move back, like, guys, I'll get a mic later on. Bring my keyboard right there. Bring my mouse. Or should I use my controller? So I have to grab my controller. Okay guys, I'm back, I just had it. Guys, you know what's so trippy? That look, I am sitting on this chair right here. Actually, I'm sitting on my desk chair. Look, guys, we're gonna use. Okay, from my controller. I can't move. Guys, my controller can't work. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's all tangled up. I gotta fix this up, guys. I don't know, like, this is kind of like a talking video. And guys, I might play a funner game later on today. And guys, if we hit like 20 subscribers, something, make sure to subscribe, post notifications, so you never miss upload. There we go, that's way better. Okay. Oh, my controller's right there. I never left it right there. Okay, I have to really grab something, guys. Wait, here's it. I'm gonna have that girl. Want to be my vid? Hi again. Want to be my vid? Color. I'm sure I'm bored. Now, recording. Okay, totally, guys. The webcams. I want to put it at the corner right here. Right there. So you did, what she says. I kind of just moved it. I think I might just put it right there. Got some healthy bills. What's she doing? I got some bills. So what are you doing? So what do you do? Make funny stuff? I haven't made a video in a long, guys. Sorry about that. I think I made one. Okay. Okay. Look at that girl right there. She's in my house. Okay. What's her name actually? She said, okay. Quickly. Oh, I get close. Quickly. Oh, she's right there. Oh, I can't find it. Oh, sorry. Suck. Did I suck it? Oh, she's stuck in my house now. Haha, you suck. I wrote me name. I said, haha, you suck. Wait, where did she go? Oh, she didn't get out now. So, oh! I was going to go in build mode. Oh my god, let me try this. It's my webcam's laggy. Oh, my webcam is laggy. Only on there. Oh, whoa. Ah. Whoa. Hey, hee hee. Hoo 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 hoo. Hee hee. Oh, that's weird. Wait, I might just. Oh, I really like using these long time ago. Whoa. Well, I was gonna let my hair. Wait, that looks funny. I'm just having fun. Guys, I'm just testing these out, for my webcam. So we already been recording for like 9 minutes. Not that bad, I could record for 15 minutes. Oh my god, my really laggy. Okay, there it is. My mouse. Okay, I really like this effect. This way. Sorry guys about that. I know, I'm still lagging. Oh, my hair's on fire. It's kind of annoying. Right? I should maybe change that. Kind of annoying. Right here. Oh, I like a background. Is there like a background? Is there a background? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, what should we use to find the background? Oh, I should use that for my background, guys. Okay, look at that. Why am I saying really lagging? What's going on? We're lagging. Guys, I just gotta keep that sparkle on. Well, in the next video, subscribe and be tuned, because I'm gonna use that effect later. Not later on in this video, later on after. In my next video that I'm making today. Well guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video here. I know it's a boring video guys, but just subscribe. Well, subscribe, put on post notifications, and you'll be notified when I make my new video, guys, because I'm gonna make a new video. And I don't know, I'm gonna play Disaster Island. I'll show you what I'm gonna play. If you guys wanna learn how to record like this, it'll be in the description below. Okay, I'm really lagging because I'm recording. And we got 4 more minutes left. I mean 3. About 3 more minutes. Screen recorder. Okay, sorry about that. Checking out my screen recorder. Come on. You wonder why I'm doing that? I don't know. I'm really slow. My internet's so slow. Can it work now? Well, guys, we're gonna use this for my. What about this one? I really like this one. Oh my god. Yeah. Or we might just use Happy Birthday. Oh, I should have used this on my birthday, because my birthday passed. Happy birthday. Well guys, you tell me when it's your birthday, and I'll put this on for you. Actually, and this one. Anyone you want. I'll do a live stream. Next video, stay tuned, because we might just use. I really like this one. Oh, this way. We're having fun. Whoa, I really like this one. We're gonna use this one next video. Stay tuned. Or, we should use this on Saturday. Or Sunday, actually. I'm dumb. I think it's Saturday today. Welcome to school. We're gonna close my game, guys. Sorry about that one. Finally know how to use it. Come on, you're slow. I'll play Disaster Island if you guys know what that is on Roblox. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Only got 2 more minutes with you. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye!